One of the problems with nighttime is that it's very hard to get to sleep if you're stressed out, and you tend to stay in the thinking self, going round and round in circles, and it can be hard to switch off. So nighttime is a very mental time where we dream, and if we're already a bit stressed, then we can stay above the threshold of tiredness and sleep and go round in circles in the relentless theatre of the mind, which can be very annoying. So a very good thing to do is to roll out of bed onto the floor, onto a yoga mat or a nice comfortable rug, and to do very slow, gentle body movement. Nighttime, we usually feel a bit groggy, a bit ropey if we can't sleep. So just keep it incredibly easy and incredibly slow. This is a really simple yoga technique. So you get onto all fours, hands and knees roughly the same distance apart, and then you just move backwards and forwards, just nicely and gently. And ideally, if you can just let your head relax down too. And you're just going to move backwards and forwards slowly like this for a few minutes. And then you move from one side to the other for a few minutes, just feeling the weight of the whole body. Actually, you can feel your head, neck, back, shoulders, limbs. You feel pretty much every bit of you effortlessly just moving yourself like this. And then after a few more minutes you can go from one corner to the other, from the right hand side to the left hand side, and then after a few minutes you can go from the front left to the back right. So you're just going to very much get your bearings on the floor, feeling the weight of the body, and the gentle easy movement is going to connect your awareness back in with the body, and this helps calm you down, it helps take the mind off the tinnitus, and it helps the nervous system really relax. And connecting with the physical experience of the body, this is where you're going to find the tiredness. So other things that are very easy to do is to lift your arms up, so you can be sitting on the side of the bed for this one, and then just very, very gently move from side to side. This is brilliant for feeling every part of the body again, but in particular releasing tension out of the sides, all the while breathing very calmly. And the point is that you're going to get back in touch with the physical rather than going round and round in circles inside the stressy thought patterns. The thoughts are often not helpful at night time, and they can seem even stronger and larger than life. So just bringing it back into the body mode, it's very, very helpful for de-stressing and settling and shifting the focus out of the head back into the body. One last technique, which is very simple. When you're actually lying in bed, you can actually just lift up one limb and weigh it, really feel the weight of it, and then let it drop, boom, down. Then lift the other limb up. Really feel the weight of it, weigh it, and after a while you notice it's starting to get a bit heavier, and then boom, down. And the same with your arms. You lift an arm up, wait until it feels really heavy, and then let it drop down, and then the other arm, lifting it up, waiting for it to get heavy and then dropping it down, and then last not least lifting the head up and then dropping it down. The crucial thing to understand is that going round and round in circles inside your thinking head is possibly the worst thing you can do. But if you get out of bed, onto the body, onto the floor, in touch with the felt sense of the body, this slows the thoughts down, and it can really relax you and drop you into a deep state of calm. So you can make up your own movements and your own postures as long as they're very comfortable, very easy and very slow. This is going to save you hours of sleeplessness and will help you drop back off into bed and back off into a better night's sleep.